Hey everyone, Brian here, your honest mechanic. Today I want to talk about how to identify if the tires on your vehicle are directional or not. Directional tires are uniquely designed to rotate in one specific direction. It's important to have them properly mounted for optimal performance and handling. I'll go through the key signs that will allow you to determine if your tires need a directional fitment. Let's start by understanding why tire directionality even exists. Most modern tires have asymmetric tread patterns that are specifically tailored for mounting on a certain side of the vehicle. The outer shoulder blocks, inner shoulder ribs, and outer grooves may have differing sizes or designs based on the rotation direction the tire is engineered for. These differences promote more stable cornering, better water drainage from the treads, and less irregular wear when going in the intended direction. However, the reverse is true when directional tires get mounted the wrong way around. Traction, ride quality, tread life, and noise levels get compromised. That's why recognizing directional tires is important. Now, checking directionality is straightforward once you know what to look for. The easiest giveaways are visible arrows or words like rotation molded on the sidewalls. They will point towards the preferred rolling direction during mounting. You may also notice one lettering on one sidewall than the other. The tire side with less writing should face outwards on directional fitments. Inspecting the tread pattern visually can also help reveal directionality. If holding two tires side by side, unevenly shaped outside inner shoulder blocks indicate optimized directional rotation and water channeling. One tire flipped 180 degrees should have visibly different shoulders and grooves despite being the same model. When test fitting tires on your wheels, seating and balance issues on one side over the other is a clear sign of directional tread. And of course, checking your owner's manual or asking the tire shop will get you a definite answer as well. Now that you can recognize directional tires, let's go over the proper mounting orientation and rotation patterns to stick to. Start by identifying the correct outward-facing sidewalls based on the direction markers present. Then, ensure the front and rear tires spin toe-in and toe-out respectively when moving forward. This orientation promotes dynamic stability and responsive turning while keeping the asymmetrical treads in their functional rotation. Unfortunately, dedicated front and rear directional tires don't let you rotate between axles when servicing, but you should still rotate them side to side between wheels on the same axle to keep tread wear even. I know that was a ton of new information on directional tires. To wrap up, here are the key takeaways. Directional tires can be ident,